guys, welcome back. So my original X5 here, automatic X5, manual X5, right? This one needs a valve cover gasket replaced on it. So that is what I'm going to be doing today because I'm actually towing like 10 hours with this thing this upcoming weekend. So I want to make sure that this oil leak is taken care of and then we'll be good. I don't expect this to take too long now that I've done the Z4's valve cover, which is pretty similar. So fingers crossed this goes smooth. I don't know how well you can tell, but let's see here. It's leaking really bad on the exhaust back here. This is like the small part where you can kind of see it. Back there, really bad towards the back. So that's why we are smelling so much oil burning.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Okay, so I now have all the coil packs out. So I'm gonna work on taking the valve cover bolts out. Okay, so I ended up taking the centerpiece out because I think it's just going to be too hard to pull the valve cover without that out. No big deal. It's like 3 bolts and then a couple of the top like clip screw thingies. So yeah, now we should be pretty close to pulling this out.
Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down.
And waited for the sun to go down because it was so hot in here. But sun is down and now I'm ready to pull this off. Pulled all the bolts out like I said. There's a bunch actually in here that you have to pull out too. So you know, yeah, we're ready to go. I just loosened it up. So, oh yeah, this gasket is ugh, nasty. Nice. Okay, don't lose that. Okay, now let me get out of the engine bay. Okay. Woo. So over here, let's see, this right here, let's see in here, this is where we were leaking a lot of oil. As you can see, all the oil down the side where the gasket would be. So that's where majority of our leak is, hence why it's all on here burning on the exhaust. So hopefully this smell will go away soon. So I'm going to start replacing the gaskets. These ones are for the spark plugs, so this is the last of the ones that stayed in. The one came off on the head itself. So yeah, now we're just going to go ahead and pull these up and replace them. This is our new one, a lot more movable than this, so what we want. This will give us a better seal. There's definitely a lot of parts of this valve cover leaking, so I just want to make sure it's going to be all good to go, all set up.
Heaven just knows what it wants. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure. I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love. I know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. Will you be my pleasure?
So I wrapped up the valve cover gasket, and one of the CCV lines that connects to the valve cover ended up breaking. They're old and brittle, so as expected I had to go through and replace it, but to do that I had to take everything apart, so that was a bummer. So I just went ahead and replaced almost the entire CCV system. So the car should be running a lot better now. This is way far in the future in comparison to when the valve cover gasket was originally filmed. I ended up driving it with the broken line. We taped it up. It worked great for probably 100 hours of driving, bare minimum. So it lasted for a while, but couldn't hold off any longer. We did have to go through and replace that. So I went ahead and I did that and replaced that whole system. Car should be good. No more leaks, no more issues. So she's back to towing and being my solid tow car that I always can trust. This car literally never lets me down, so I'm super stoked. You guys like this car, I think, a lot. I like this car a lot, so I'm super happy to have it up and going and everything sorted out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.